Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Student, today in SSC board question bank solution we are going to solve linear equation in two variable. Question number 3b. Question can come for the 3 marks part 2. Children, question number 6 is given. Solve 99x plus 101y equal to 499. 101x plus 99y equal to 501. So here we have two equations, right? Now adding equation 1 and 2, here we get 99 plus 101 is 200x plus 101 plus 99y is 200y equal to 499 plus 501 we get 1000. Now in this equation we can divide by 200. So by dividing the 200 we get x plus y equal to 5. Give the equation number 3. Now children, subtracting the equation 2 by 1. So here we will write both the equation, we will subtract, the sign will change. From 101, 99 we will minus, we will get 2x. 101 minus 99 we get 2y, but here 101 is greater, so here minus 2y will come equal to 501 minus 499 we get 2. Again here we can divide by 2, then we get new equation, what? X minus y equal to 1, that is equation number 4. Now children, adding the equation number 3 and 4, we get x plus y equal to 5, x minus y equal to 1. So 2x plus y minus y will cut. Here we get 5 plus 1, 6. Therefore, x equal to 6 upon 2. Therefore, the x value is 3. Now, substituting the x equal to 3 in equation number 3. What is equation number 3 we have? X plus y equal to 5. So, here x value will substitute 3 plus y equal to 5. Now 3 will go to the right side, become minus 3. Therefore, y equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. So, what is our solution? X value is 3 and y value is 2. Therefore, 3 and 2 is the solution of the equation. Now children, the question number 7 is given. The length of the rectangle is 5 more than twice its breadth. The perimeter of rectangle is 52 centimeter. Then find the length of rectangle. Let the breadth of the rectangle be x. The length of the rectangle be y. As per the first condition is given. The length of the rectangle is 5 more than twice the breadth. So what length we have taken? Y equal to 2 times the breadth means 2x plus 5 more is 5. We'll arrange this in equation form. 2x y will come to the right side, become minus y equal to 5 will go to the left side, become minus 5. So here we have formed equation number 1. Now as for the second condition is given. The perimeter of rectangle is 52 centimeter. As we know, the perimeter formula is what? 2 length plus breadth. So perimeter is given 52 equal to 2. Length is x and breadth is y. So first of all we will solve the bracket. 2 into x 2x, 2 into y is 2y. Now dividing by 2, here we get what? 26 equal to x plus y. That is our equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. So here we get 2 plus 1 is 3x. Y will cut equal to 26 minus 5 is 21. So x equal to 21 divided by 3. Here we get the value of x is 7. We'll substitute the x equal to 7 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1 we have? 2x minus y equal to minus 5. We'll substitute the value of 7, x equal to 7. So 2 multiplied by 7 minus y equal to minus 5. 2 7 are 14 minus y equal to minus 5. Now minus y will go to the right side, become plus y. and minus 5 will come to the left side, become plus 5. So 14 plus 5 equal to y. Therefore y equal to 19. Here we have to find what? Length of the rectangle. And length of the rectangle, what we assume? Y. Now the next question is 8. The graph of the equation 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 intersect each other in the point P. AB, then find the coordinate of P. The coordinate of point P is AB. A means the value of x and B is the value of y. We'll solve the what? Equation. We'll arrange the equation first. 2x minus y equal to minus 4 will go to the right side, become plus 4. That is our equation number 1. Same way, second equation is given x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. We'll arrange plus 1 will go to the right side, become minus 1. Student, now adding the equation 1 and 2, here we get 2x plus 1x is 3x, y cut equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. Therefore, x equal to 3 upon 3 means the x value is 1. Substituting the value of x in equation 1. So, what is the equation 1? We have 2x minus y equal to 4. So, 2 multiplied by 1 minus y equal to 4. 2 1 is 2 minus y equal to 4. Now, minus y will go to the right side, become plus y. And 4 will come to the left side, become minus 4. So, 2 minus 4 equal to y. Therefore, y equal to minus 2. Student, here the coordinate of point P is AB and our A is x and x value we got 1 and B is y and y value we got minus 2. Now question number 9. The solution of the equation ax plus by plus 5 equal to 0 and bx minus ay minus 12 equal to 0. Here in the bracket it is given 2 and minus 3. Find the value of a and b. Here x value is 2 and y value is minus 3. We will substitute these two values to find the value of a and b. Now here we substitute the value of x and y in the equation. The equation is given ax plus by plus 5 equal to 0. A value is what? Not given. X value is given 2. So 2a plus b value is given minus 3. Y value is given minus 3, b plus 5 equal to 0. So we'll open the bracket, 2a minus 3, b equal to minus 5. Plus 5 will come to the right side, become minus 5. That is our equation number 1. The second equation is given bx minus ay minus 12 equal to 0. Here x value will substitute and y value. X value is 2, 2b minus a multiplied by y value is minus 3, minus 12 equal to 0. So 2b minus plus 3a equal to 12. Here we got the equation number 2. Now children, here what we will do, multiplying the equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. So equation 1 is given 2a minus 3b equal to minus 5 will multiply by 2. 2 2 is 4a minus 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. So here new equation is formed, number 3. Now equation number 2 will multiply by 3. 3 3 is 9a, 3 2 is 6b and 12 3 is 36. We got the equation number 3 and 4. Adding equation 3 and 4, we get now 9 plus 4 is 13a, 6b and will cut minus and plus is given. 36 minus 10 we get 26. Now children, therefore a equal to 26 divided by 13. Here we get the value of a is how much? 2. We will substitute the value of a equal to 2 in equation number 1. What is the equation number 1 we have? 2a minus 3b equal to minus 5. So 2 into 2 minus 3b equal to minus 5. 2 2 is 4 minus 3b equal to minus 5. Now 4 is given the positive, we will go to the right side, become negative. So minus 3b equal to minus plus. So 5 plus 4 is minus 9. Eliminating minus from the both sides, we get 3b equal to 9. Therefore b equal to 9 upon 3. Here we get the value of B is 3. So, student, the value of A is 2 and value of B is 3. Now question number 10. A person start a job with some fixed salary and yearly increment. After 4 years, his salary is rupees 15,000 and after 10 years, it's become rupees 18,000. Then find his monthly salary and increment. Let the monthly salary be X rupees and yearly increment rupees Y. As per the first condition, so here monthly salary is X and the year is given how much? 4 years. So 4Y equal to his salary was 15,000. Give the equation number 1. As per the second condition, his monthly salary is X and here is given 10Y equal to 18,000. Now subtracting equation 2 by 1, we get, if we are subtracting, the sign will be changed. X will cut. 10 minus 4 is minus 6Y equal to 18 minus 15 is minus 3,000. Eliminating minus, we get 6Y equal to 3,000. It means Y equal to 3,000 divided by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 5 is 30 and 2 zeros are there. So here Y value is 500. Substituting the Y equal to 500 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is what? X plus 4 Y equal to 15,000. So we'll substitute the value of Y 500. X plus 4 into 500 equal to 15,000. So 4 into 500 what we get? 2,000, right? Now 2,000 will go to the right side, become minus 2,000. Therefore X equal to 13,000. It means the monthly salary is 13,000 and yearly increment is 500. Understood? Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 11 is given. For the equation 3x minus 2y equal to 17, find the value of x when y equal to minus 1 and find the value of y when x equal to 3. In the same equation, student, we have to put the value and find the value of each other. So now substituting y equal to minus 1 in equation, the equation is given 3x minus 2y equal to 17. So here we'll substitute the value of y is minus 1. So 3x minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 equal to 17. So 2 1 is 2, minus minus plus. Now plus 2 will go to the right side and become minus 2. Therefore 3x equal to 15. Now student, x equal to 15 divided by 3 we get 5. If we are taking y value minus 1, then x value will be 5. Okay. Now in the same equation, here it is told we have to take the x value is 3 and we have to find the value of y. Take the equation, substitute the value of x is 3. 3 is 9 minus 2y equal to 17. Now minus 2y will go to the minus 2y will remain same. 9 will go to the right side, become minus 9. 17 minus 9, here we get how much? 8. Now therefore y equal to minus 8 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. Therefore y value will be minus 4. If we are substituting x equal to 3, then y value will be minus 4. I hope you have understood all these sums. Keep watching my video.